Sounds from the 90s you'll never forget, and kids today will never experience. That dial-up family computer in the living room that everyone had to share, we each had our own login, and every time you booted it up, you'd pick your profile and hear that magical Windows XP startup sound. For a second, it felt like the whole world was welcoming you online. AOL was the gateway to the internet. But before you could get online, you had to sit through that long, noisy dial-up connection.
Welcome.
And once it finally connected, you were in. What else do you remember?